Hey, welcome to my another Tesla video. So sometime when you see this speed limit sign on your dashboard, it feels weird because you cannot drive your car the way you want. You feel so much sluggish, right? You feel like your car is not following up. It doesn't feel like you driving Tesla. So that's why I'm making this video. When this sign come up, there is something wrong in your settings and you think, oh my god, what happened? Actually, you can fix it very easily. So now I'm going to show you how you can fix this problem. So anytime happen in your car, so what you can do, you can fix it easily. Just you have to go to your Tesla mobile app. So go to your Tesla app and then go to security. Once you go to security, you can see the speed limit mode sign on. So you can turn it off easily. So now you can see it's on, and I'm going to show you how to turn it off. So I just click it and it's working. Sometimes it takes time, sometimes it can get done real quick. So what you have to do, you have to get out from the app and go back in their app, and now you can see your security again, and you see that thing is gone. So now you can drive your car and you can feel it, and you can see that sign is gone. That's the way you fix it. So I hope you like this video. If you like, I have so many video in my channel and I'm making all this video to help you. So I hope you enjoy the video and subscribe and share for your friends so they can enjoy it. If you have any other question, please ask me in the comment box and I will try to answer as soon as possible. Thank you very much.